Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here. So excited. I am in the Sub-Zero Wolf Room. I'm going over the brand new 48-inch induction range from Sub-Zero. Yes, I said it. The 48-inch induction range. Smooth surface, center controls right here. This is just boasting how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cooking surfaces on a 48-inch range. Unparalleled. This is great. You have your big square over here, but the amount that you can bridge, this can be bridged, so this can be a big burner as well. We go over here as well, we can bridge this side. Then we have another set, our other burner and our other burner. So we have a full configuration on this one. Ton of cooking surface, ton of induction, ton of, connective heat. The only downside we got to talk about here is 100 amp. So in your service, you need 250 amps to run this. But I mean, this surface, great, ton of power, ton of induction capability. We have our same range over here where we have our big oven over here with our twin fan, verticross convection. We have our stainless glide racks, broiler tray, all of our convection features, all of our Wolf power in this oven. And we flip it over, go into this oven, same thing, just smaller cavity. We can do everything in this oven, the convection, the roasting, all of it, the roast probes. So really even has all of our cooking essentials for baking, roasting, but the smooth top of the induction is just sleek. This is really where we're going in the range of 48s. So enjoy this one.